Hey, baby girl. This one goes out to you on your birthday. We gotta take it up a notch. I'm gonna show you a little something we've been working on for a while.
Hannah Bolecter, a Doctor Who collector. I can tell you all things about her. She is deflector. Icy blue and coral. This girl will never quarrel with these questions. Whether she will eat and winter Westons. I know this is so fun, but she's gotta say this question. Cheez-Its and crackers, Cheez-Its and crackers. Who would have known that this would have been so hard? I'ma jump on the couch like a little kid. I'ma say, how are you today when I'm id? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, dance with me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, dance with me. She's 18, she likes to eat babies, 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 babies. But the question really is again, like I said, Cheez-Its, 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 Cheez-Its or babies, Cheez-Its or babies. Have some fun questions to ask now that you're 18 and proud, 18 and proud. Come on, dance with me now. You got boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Shake it, break it, shake it, and break it. You're 18 now, you're gonna have to not fake it anymore. You don't need a fake ID. You are cool like you are this now. Wait till you're 21. Then Alan's gonna say, oh yeah, that's my 21-year-old little sister. Sister, sister. Yeah, we out, girl.